Hey there, I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com, where you can experience great tasting foods and enjoy the benefits of food-grade essential oils with healthy food alternatives and improve your gut health naturally. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious pistachio cheesecake recipe. After watching, make sure you go to the description below and download my free Food Grade Essential Oils Guide. This pistachio cheesecake recipe is an excellent dessert for any day of the year, or it's a delicious green food for St. Patrick's Day. You can make this simple pistachio cheesecake in minutes. It's so creamy and is gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free too. So let's start with a no-bake crust, and in a blender add 1 cup pistachios, a half a cup of walnuts, 1 tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener, then blend 15 to 20 seconds until crumbly. This is a great no-bake cheesecake or pie crust. Now let's spoon it into an oiled 9-inch springform pan and then press it down with your fingertips until it's nice and smooth. After we've done that, we're going to set it aside and go back to our blender. In our blender, for our filling, let's add a half a cup coconut cream, which is the top of a chilled can, 1 large avocado meat. Then we're going to add 2 8-ounce packages of coconut cream cheese. Now you can use dairy, but this is a dairy-free alternative. Now let's add a half a cup of powdered monk fruit sweetener, 1/8 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now the secret sauce, 22 drops of lime essential oil. It is so yummy. Now you can do 2 limes, juiced and the zest, if you prefer. But I really like the convenience, the flavor, and the wonderful alkalizing benefits of the essential oil. So we're going to blend this up really well until it's smooth, and you may have to push it down in the blender a little bit. Then we are going to spoon it over our crust. And after we have spread it really nice and smooth and evenly, then we're going to sprinkle it with a few more chopped pistachios. Now, this is such a great combination. Everyone that tastes this pistachio cheesecake just loves it. So, chill it, and now you have this wonderful pistachio cheesecake. So delicious, so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go to the description below, ask your questions, comment, download my free Food Grade Essential Oils Guide, then like and subscribe. See you in my next video.